Hello, Mr. Dorsey. I will be covering factoring quadratics. And this is all covered in the handy dandy student guide. The reason why I'm doing this video is it's going to give the students an opportunity to go back and review things as necessary until they actually get it. But it's all in the handout. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to always identify your coefficients. In other words, problem number 1 says x squared plus 2x minus 15. So they have to know that A is going to equal 1, B is going to equal 2, and C is going to equal negative 15. All right, next you're going to make an ACB table. This is all in the study guide. And what they're doing is A times C, which is negative 15, and B is going to be 2. So this first column is the product columns, product of the factors. And that means that you're going to look for multiples of 15. So you're going to say 1 and 15, and 3 and 15. The 3 and 5, I'm sorry. So this column is going to satisfy the product, but since it's a negative and this is a positive, you're going to let this sign here determines what's going to go here. So in other words, since this is a negative, you know your product rules. 1 has to be negative. So therefore, since this is a positive, you want the smaller number to be the negative. So when you add these over here or subtract them, both numbers satisfy, both factors satisfy both columns. Negative 3 times 5 is a negative 15, and 5 minus 3 is positive 2. Once you get the two factors that satisfy your criteria, all you do is put it in factor form. Meaning you're going to put 2 sets of parentheses, you're going to always put x here and x there, and you just bring them straight from the table. Minus 3 plus 5, and you factor. Let's try one more. The next one I'm going to try is x squared minus 7x plus 10. You're going to identify A, B, and C once again. A will be 1, your B is going to equal negative 7, and your C is going to equal 10. You're going to come down, you're going to do a product column, A times C, 1 times 10, which is going to give you 10. B is going to be negative 7. You're going to list all your factors of 10. 1 and 10, 2 and 5. Now, since this is positive, they both have to be the same sign. But since this is negative, this is going to determine that both your signs have to be negative. So therefore, you're going to have a negative 2 and a negative 5. And if you add or sum them up over here, you get negative 7. Once again, these two